This is Lisa. Lyndon and I reserved a king bed at the Wyndham Garden for a complimentary stay. Unfortunately, when we arrived, we were told that a king bed was not available, so we were given a room with 2 queen beds instead. The bed was uncomfortable for us, and since we live in the Tampa area, we decided not to stay overnight. We packed up and headed home. We'd love to hear from you. Have you stayed at this Wyndham Garden? What was your experience like? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd really like to hear about your stay. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.